OnePlus might be preparing its most ambitious smartphone ever. The upcoming OnePlus 16 is already generating massive excitement thanks to rumors of a giant battery, flagship performance, and a groundbreaking camera system. But can it really challenge the best phones from Samsung, Apple, and Google? Let's find out. Starting with the design, leaks suggest that the OnePlus 16 will feature an ultra-premium build with extremely thin bezels and a flat OLED display measuring around 6.8 inches. Even more impressive, OnePlus is reportedly testing refresh rates between 185 Hz and 240 Hz, making scrolling and gaming smoother than almost any smartphone on the market. The display is expected to use advanced LTPO technology for better power efficiency while still delivering flagship-level brightness and color accuracy. If these rumors are true, the OnePlus 16 could become one of the best displays ever seen on an Android phone. Under the hood, the OnePlus 16 is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro processor. Combined with up to 16 GB of LPDDR6 RAM, this phone could deliver incredible gaming performance, faster AI processing, and lightning-fast multitasking. Storage options are expected to reach as high as 1 TB, giving users plenty of space for apps, games, photos, and 4K videos. One of the biggest upgrades may come in the camera department. Multiple leaks point to a massive 200-megapixel main camera along with a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. This could significantly improve zoom quality and low-light photography, two areas where OnePlus has been trying to compete with the industry's best. Photography enthusiasts could finally get a OnePlus phone that rivals the top flagship camera systems from Samsung and other premium brands. But perhaps the most shocking rumor is the battery. Reports suggest the OnePlus 16 could pack a gigantic 9,000 mAh battery with up to 120W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. If true, this phone could easily last multiple days on a single charge while still recharging incredibly fast. Of course, these are still leaks and rumors, so take them with a grain of salt. But if even half of these specifications become reality, the OnePlus 16 could be one of the most exciting Android flagships of 2026. What do you think? Will the OnePlus 16 be the ultimate flagship killer? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.